ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಒನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕನ್ನಡಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಏರೋ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ 2025 ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು VNT ಫಾರ್ LCH ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಾಂಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿಯೇ ಒಂದು ಫೈಟರ್ ಜೆಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸುವಂತಹ ಫೀಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
I am Rohan, an engineer in helicopter division from helicopter training department HAL. So this is a product which we have developed indigenously in helicopter division, BMT for LCH. This is our own product, HAL product. This is first time development at this big platform in India. So the full form of VMT is Virtual Maintenance Trainer. This product will be used for maintenance personnel of Indian Force, Indian Air Force and Indian Army. For LCH, for Light Combat Helicopter, that is Perchant. For Perchant helicopter, we will use VMT. So now in VMT, we have total 4 modes. So maintenance personnel will go to first mode, exploration mode. In exploration mode, the person will be able to explore the systems of the helicopter. The person will get a brief idea of the helicopter. After that, the maintenance personnel can go to the program guided mode. In program guided mode, the person will be able to perform the maintenance activities. So whatever maintenance activity the person is doing in real hangar, he can do all those activities in virtual reality without disturbing the helicopter, without disturbing the LRU, and without getting damage with the helicopter. So that particular thing the person can do in program guided mode. In instructor mode, there will be one trainer and 5 trainee will be connected to the trainer. So trainer will teach them how to perform the activity. With guidance, we will tell them. So all 5 trainee as well as trainer will be in virtual reality. They will be doing activities on the helicopter. Now last one is practice mode. In practice mode, whatever the person has learned in all the 3 modes, he will be able to or she will be able to practice everything without any guidance.
Okay.
So after doing all those things, the person will be pretty confident to work on the real helicopter in the real hangar.
Okay.
So this is like our full package. You can get a feel also how to use that, and you will be able to feel the helicopter also.
I can use.
You can use that.
Please guide.
This I will show you. Whatever she will be able to see, it will be coming here also. Two things are the controller. They will act as your hand in virtual reality.
Okay.
And this will be your eye. So through this you will be able to see everything. So full helicopter is coming in front of you. Don't press anything.
Okay, sorry.
No problem. You can move that side. Now again move.
Yes.
Now full helicopter will come.
Yes.
Yes. So this is our full helicopter. Now you can go inside also.
Okay.
Little move that side. Now rotate your head. Move up. So you are inside the cockpit. You can see this is the real cockpit of helicopter.
Okay.
Now one more.
It gives real experience.
Real experience only, ma'am. That's why what I'll be saying. We will go that side now.
Okay.
Now you can select any particular system. Suppose you are selecting avionics to select. Now see, everything is transparent. Now only you are able to see the system only.
Yes.
So in that system also you can call an LRU. You press this. LRU will come in front of you.
Okay.
And explanation will be given.
Yes,
You can hear him. Like by moving head, you can see that how it looks. It is rotating in front of you.
Nothing is. Yes.
It is rotating.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is rotating, it is rotating. You
Okay.
can send it back also. Now you can send it back. One more option is there. You can select engine. I will select engine. Just move your head. Now you will be able to see the engine.
Yes, yes.
Now engine will come in front of you. Very big engine. Now you can see the engine. This is the real engine which you are seeing outside also. Like similar to that, this is the real engine.
Yes, yes.
But in virtual reality. You can get a feel of this engine.
Yes, yes.
You can go inside also that and see how it looks from inside.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Yes. You can send it back also. One more option I will show you. Just extend your left hand extend to see towards your left hand. One back option is coming.
No, it is.
Back to you press. Now I will show you the explode implode option.
Okay.
See. See, helicopter has exploded.
I think.
It has exploded. You are able to see now that
Yes.
rotor blade is going up. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, okay.
Now helicopter has exploded. Now again extend your left hand, ma'am, and see towards your left hand. Here you see left hand.
Okay.
And point your little extend. Is implode it. Now everything has gone inside.
Yes, it is beautiful.
You want to explore more?
No, it's
Let's
sad.
look.
Okay. It is so beautiful and it gives real experience.
Yes, it gives real experience. And
And that engine parts are it seems real.
you can get a real feeling of, and this was exploration mode only. When you will go to program guided mode, it will tell you how to perform the activity. Suppose in engine you have to remove something. So what are the tools required for that? How to pick that tool? How to remove a particular thing? Everything will be guided. Just like in reality, how maintenance people do work, same will be there in virtual reality.
Okay.
So that will be done in program guided mode.
Okay.
So it will be guiding. Without going to hangar, everything you can do in a lab n number of times. You can save the time, you can save the money.
Yes.
This is like another level product. And it is like one of the important pillar of industry 4.0.
Yes. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂಥರ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣೆದುರೇ ಒಂದು ಫೈಟರ್ ಜೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ನಾನೇ ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗೆ, ಕಾಕ್ಪಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಾಗೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಫಾರ್ LCH ಪ್ರಚಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. VMT ಫಾರ್ LCH ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ನಾನು ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್.
Thank you very much.